In this video, we'll show you how to remove the protective material from your printer. Please note that the locations of the material may vary slightly from this video. First, remove the orange tape from the front of the printer. You can discard the orange tape. Next, open the front cover. Remove and discard the orange tape and protective material. Lift the top cover, then remove and discard the orange tape and packing materials. Now that the printer is cleared of the protective material, you can close the top and front covers. You're ready to power the printer on for the first time. For more videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.